So now we're going to complete the Form 941. It says complete Form 941 for the fourth quarter of the current year. Leave any unused cells blank. Do not enter a zero. Just remember my instructor tip said that if line 7A is a zero, you do have to put a zero in there, and the same for line 7H. So on Canvas, as I mentioned earlier, I've got this Form 941 for you, and I'm explaining what goes in which cells, which fields. Okay, so line 1 is pretty self-explanatory. Line 1, number of employees who received wages, tips, or other compensation. Okay, so how many employees did we have? We had a whopping 3. All right, and then wages, tips, and other compensation. Well, this is gross. This is gross wages. So like my instructions say, my annotated 941, that means our gross wages. So to calculate gross wages, open up this box, and we're going to take 10,140 plus 10,650 plus 12,450. And that should give us 33,240. Total income tax withheld from wages, tips, and other compensation. So open that box again. We need fit. So notice it said total income tax withheld from wages. Now you might say, well, what about state? Is this they talking about state, or are they talking about federal income tax? Well, remember the 941 is a federal tax return. So we're just going to simply add up 1493 plus 1624 plus 2050, and that gives us 5167. And then in the next video, I will show you how we fill in the taxable Social Security, which is a little bit tricky.